Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Listen, guys, I'm popping on today to share with you some goodies I purchased from The Sweets, which is owned by Thelisha of Where Baking and Crafting Meets here on YouTube. Now, I'm going to drop a link below to her shop as well as her channel so that you can head on over to her channel or head on over to her shop if you like what's in this box, because in this box are some handmade ephemera embellishments, actually I should say, that I purchased from her. I happened to see them on Instagram. They popped up in my feed and I loved them. So then I was like, I wonder if she's got a video. So I head over to her channel, and sure enough, she had a video up showing how she made them. And I was stunned to see that she hand watercolored these pieces. So without further ado, let me stop rambling, and after I get finished with this, I'm going to show you a couple of these ATC cards that I purchased, that I made. I had a set that I made to send out to a swap partner, and then I duplicated them. So these are a little bit different. Nevertheless, these are okay. So in here it says, thank you for ordering. Check us out on these platforms. So let me pull this up here so you guys can see it. Pause it. Get all that information. That's her website, neatsweets.me. She's on Facebook, The Sweets by Thelisha, Instagram, The Sweet Cakes, Twitter, same thing, YouTube, Where Baking and Crafting Meets by Thelisha. And she also has a Facebook group by the same name. So check her out. Head on over there and let's see what she's doing. Oh, okay. So this is what I ordered. I wanted these because I was thinking I could probably... these are die cuts or stickers. They're stickers. But I was thinking I could possibly watercolor these myself, because I found out that, and I don't know if you guys saw it in the previous video, but these watercolor brush markers are actually watercolor. Okay, you can actually, blend them out with a little bit of with water on your brush. So, okay, so here's the stickers that came in that set, and they were very inexpensive. And I love the mason jar because, as you know, we're approaching summertime, and not that mason jars are seasonal, but, you see them come out a lot more and during the summertime, especially here in the South. And, oh, all the cute little butterflies. So I'm going to have a great time with those. And then also in this box, oops, let me move that off to the side. And of course, I'll be using that little piece of paper. Oh, I saw her make one of these on her channel, and I loved it. I am putting this, Thelisha, on in one of the plants that I have in our family room. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. I love the little pin. I can't make these, so anybody who can make them, I'm like, kudos to you. Thank you so much, Thelisha. And this is what I was here for. So I'm not even taking this out the package because I don't want to mess it up. And the other set that I purchased from her, I have a video coming up where I make Mother's Day cards with them. So stay tuned for that. And these probably will end up on cards as well. But these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. See, this is where I saw her doing the watercolor. Can you see that? Absolutely love it. I love the foil and then the metallic ribbon. Oh my goodness. And I am a fan of black and white. I think that's what drew me in. I am a black and white girl. I love black and white. I always say my go-to is black, white, and bright. Okay? That's an easy color scheme for me. As a matter of fact, that's what I had on today. Black, white, and pink. Okay? Just real easy. Fuchsia, I should say. So that is what I got from her. These are, I'm going to leave this here so y'all can take a look at that. And then I wanted to try the Nouveau drops that she had in her shop. So I'm going to just, I don't know what all the hype is about them because I don't know how to use it, but I'm sure I'm going to become a little bit familiar with it. These are called Dream Drops. And I think this was Dragon Scales. Yep, dragon scales. See that? So that is so pretty. Let's look and see what this is giving. Oh, it says, hey, Miss Fam, thank you again. I appreciate all your support, the advice, the motivation. When I opened my Bible this morning, this is the first thing I saw. I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Amen. All right, Thelisha, I am so glad that you shared that with me because that's confirmation for you. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see what it smears like. Can we smear with it? Yeah, you can. Take it off my finger. Okay. All right, so Thelisha, thank you so much for reserving these for me, because when I saw them on your Instagram channel and I reached out, my first instinct was, I'm in the bed, I can't even do the checkout right now, but please hold a set for me. I am going to purchase them tomorrow morning, in which I did. But thankfully she was able to reserve me a pack, and I'm thrilled, just thrilled. I really don't even want to use these. I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm not. It's better to give than to receive, right? So I'm gonna make some cards with that. Well, I'll enjoy making the cards with them. That's the joy that I'll get out of them, because once they're gone, right? Okay, so in the video you saw me make this ATC card, right? But what you didn't know was this was the card that inspired it. I started off with this just to try out some techniques. Now, so the difference is not a whole lot of difference, just a different sentiment. I use different watercolors at the base of here. And I think I used the marker on that. Y'all forgive me for my nails. It ain't happening no time soon. I ain't going to redo them. So just bear with me. And I think I used metallic paint, metallic watercolor in her hair and on her dress. And then I used the butterflies there as well. So I loved the effects that gave. And then also the other card that I made was this one. So this one will go in my stash. This is the second one. There we go. Now on this card, what I have is some of this cracked glass, modeling paste that I mixed with some inks. It is some shimmer mists. This stamp and some of this Ranger mixed media powder, embossing powder. And that's about it. And then I stamped Welcome Home from an Echo Park stamp set, and backed it with a little bit of fabric, with a little bit of metallic fabric, or fabric that has metallic on it. And that is what I got. Now I also went on top of here with this window with Mod Podge Extra Glossy. Yeah, that's what it is. And I love the way that this came out. So hopefully the recipient will enjoy this one when she receives it. But this one will be for me. All right. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, along with that notification bell. Obviously, you need to hit that. And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. Ooh, I got me some embellishments. I got some embellishments. Ooh. Don't be jealous. Just get a set for yourself. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.